They did great. They did what they said they would do, when they said they would do it, and did a great job. We went into the showroom there in Broken Arrow and looked at, all of their samples or their, pieces that they had, and we really didn't have like a really firm idea what we wanted to start with, so we were pretty open. Michelle was really good to help walk us through. We found this piece and just fell in love with it. I was pretty sure I wanted something that was lighter in color because my cabinets I knew were going to be stained, and then my island was dark. I was looking for a dealer for onyx. I saw that CounterTop Solutions was a dealer for them, and that's how I ended up there. The onyx is in the master shower, and it also is in the surround for the upstairs tub and shower. I needed my whole house done. I needed laundry room, bathrooms, kitchen, pantry, everything, and I felt like that they were the ones that could do it. Countertops in the kitchen and pantry are quartzite, and then in the other rooms are granite. But we love all of our surfaces that they did, and this is home for us. And this is our forever home.